Welcome back, students. In the last period, we have finished the chapter A Honeybee Speaks. Now today we will discuss the question answers. See the first question. Answer the following questions. A number. Why is the bee called as busy bee? The answer is the bee is called a busy bee because it is hard at work the whole day. B number. What work do young bees do? So the answer is young bees look after the larvae, they feed and protect them. C number. What weapon does the bee have? The bee has its sting as a weapon. D number. What work do the bees do? So the answer is the older bees fly out of the comb and gather nectar and pollen from the flowers. They carry them back to the comb and turn them into sweet, thick honey. E number. When does the bees use its weapon? The bee uses its weapon when anyone comes near the comb to disturb it. Now question number 2. Find the meaning of the following from the lesson. So the meaning of first word is honeycomb. Meaning is a big house made by bees with thousands of cells. Each cell has 6 equal sides. Number 2, beeswax. Meaning is material for building the comb. Third number, nectar. The sweet juice in the flowers. Number 4, pollen. The yellow powdery stuff we see on flowers. So these are the meanings of the words that you will copy down in your English copy. Now put these words in alphabetical order. Students, we have already studied it in first and second standard. So today we will just revise it. So the words are honeycomb, bees, nectar and pollen. The very first thing what you have to do is you have to see the first letter of each word. So in the first word honeycomb, the first letter is H. Beeswax, the first letter is B. Then nectar, the first letter is N. And pollen, the first letter is P. Now you have to arrange it in alphabetical order. So which letter comes first? So the first letter is B. So we will write the word beeswax first. And then we will cut that word. After B comes, that is H. So we will write the word honeycomb and we will cancel the word honeycomb. Then after that comes N. So we will write nectar and we will cancel the word nectar. And the last word is, the remaining word is pollen. So we will write pollen. So in this way we have arranged these words in alphabetical order. Now one more example is there. The words are flower, sting, soldier and house. We will do it the same way. The first thing what we have to do, we have to see the first letter. So in flower the first letter is F, then sting S, soldier S and house it's S. So now student, tell me which letters come first from F, S, S and H. So the first word is flower. So we will write down flower and we will cancel that word. Then comes house. That is H. So we will write down the word house. Now can you see there are both the words sting and soldier start with S. So we will see this next letter. So in the sting the next letter is T and in soldier the next letter is O. So which letter comes first, T or O? Yes, correct students, that is O. So we will write the word soldier and then we will cancel it. And the remaining last word is sting, and cancel it. Now there are these two words which you have to put in alphabetical order. This is for your homework. You have to solve it. Okay. Now question number 4 is, we use the word busy as a B to describe a person who keeps working happily all the time. What qualities do you think of when you think of the following animals? Now you have to tell the qualities of the following animals. So the first was busy as a bee. Then the next is lion. So brave as a lion. How is lion? Lion is a brave. So brave as a lion. Then the next is elephant. So big as an elephant. Elephant is a big animal. Then fourth is ant. Like honeybees, ants are also hardworking. So hardworking as an ant. The next is monkey. So tricky as a monkey. Then the next is fox. So cunning as a fox. Tortoise. What qualities you find in tortoise? It is slow. So slow as a tortoise. Then butterflies. How are butterflies? Butterflies are beautiful. So beautiful as a butterfly. 9 is cow. So mild as a cow. And number 10, horse. So strong as a horse. So children, you have to write down these qualities and you will underline the red color words. Okay. Now it's your activity time. Draw the picture of honeycomb cells. We have seen the honeycomb cells and each cell has 6 sides and all the sides are equal. So you have to draw a honeycomb cell and you have to do this activity in your English copy. You have to complete this homework till the next period. Thank you.